Bartender Cookout is back again on August 16, 2025. If you don't remember the last cookout, I know you not want to miss this. So, lock the date and don't be late. Make sure you secure the orders from now. Bartender Cookout is the place to be. Today we're going to St. Mary to do a presentation for Heart Trust NSTA. So stay with us and enjoy.
Yeah, man, you get good. The murder.
Teach them, let them know more. Alright.
Show me where you go. Dad, where you go?
Where do you mean we're going?
Where are we going?
St. Mary. Why?
You drive out your side to go St. Mary?
What you mean?
You're supposed to go up that way then.
Up where?
Down Robin, turn left, go up. Go up. That's unfair.
When I laugh like me know it from the way that I don't. So we are driving the way we know.
Just seriously thinking.
No.
But actually it's rough. You make a wrong turn.
No, you go much further. Just go up here, sir.
Just off the man now.
Yo! Rock up the...
You have to make a bad turn, you know.
Crackers without water and this
I'm not sure, man. I'm good.
Oi!
On the run.
They're gonna the wrong shot. You can see say Chrissy a professional on this. She know how to use her spit. Soaking. Where you talking?
Can't talk. Can't talk.
Your mouth not empty.
I want more from me.
I could see a better than me. Beat me on that one, yeah. Heading to St. Mary now. Want me to feel bad, you know? No, this are the knockoff round.
Motion sickness. Poor thing.
I can't believe I really feel sick. Oh God, man. I try, you know? I try. Papa Jesus. You look a drive out nice, you know. Why? Me just have to feel bad. No, sir. Alright, so people, I'm good again. I just couldn't manage to turn. Let's so. That's a minute up a miracle around, you know.
So you work, brother? Dirtily, muckily.
But watch, you know, from one truck to the next. And a Leland too, you know.
Hey, when somebody tell you say you look like a whole Leland, you know. Don't believe, say. You look good.
Serious, all I am never that, you know.
Look here, man.
Ross.
I hope you enjoyed part 1 of our vlog. Stay tuned for part 2. The menu is now out, so people, it's time to choose your favorite meals. How to do so? Send us a DM at Xpressionzja on Instagram, or you can send us a WhatsApp at 1-876-504-8773. Plus, don't forget the big bad after party. Listen, place your orders now. Orders close off on August 8th. See you there.